Let answer question number 3 in electric charges and fields. Inter second year physics, most important question for 4 marks. Derive the equation for the couple acting on electric dipole in uniform electric field. So in the previous video we explained what is couple and also what is electric dipole, what is dipole moment. డైపోల్ మూమెంటు, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ డైపోల్, అలాగే కపుల్, ఈ మూడింటిని మనము ముందు వీడియోస్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం. అవన్నీ ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో కన్సిడర్ ఏబి ఈజ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిక్ డైపోల్. కన్సిడర్ an electric dipole consisting of minus q at A plus q at B. Minus q and plus q. Minus q is point at A, plus q is at B. So these two are equal and opposite charges separated by a distance 2a, which is called dipole length. So E is placed in uniform electric field as shown in the figure. So these arrows, it is a E bar, it is a uniform electric field. So in the uniform electric field, this electric dipole is placed. So electric dipole is nothing but a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by very small distance is called electric dipole, which is placed in the uniform electric field. So now AB is equals to 2A. AB is equals to 2A, which is called dipole length. Which is called dipole length. Next, dipole moment of, that is magnitude of dipole moment of electric dipole P is equals to magnitude of one of the two charges. Magnitude of one of the two charges, that is magnitude means either this q or this q with plus sign is taken, and dipole length, that is 2a. It is equation 1, 2a. So product of magnitude of one of the two charges and dipole length, this is the dipole length 2a. 2a is taken. Now the electric dipole can make a dipole moment with angle theta with respect to direction of electric field. So theta is angle between the dipole moment and the direction of electric field. The direction of electric field. Now, but on this charge, the force of electric field can act. The force of electric field is also act. It is in the upward direction, it is in the downward direction. So, but you know, intensity of electric field is given by the formula E equal to F by Q naught. This implies, so F is equals to E into Q naught. So using this formula, here we can write force is equals to intensity of electric field into charge. Force is equals to intensity of electric field into charge. So from this one, force acting on minus q at A, force acting plus q at B. So force acting on minus q at A is given as F is equals to E into minus Q. That is E into Q generally in the case of intensity of electric field formula, E equal to F by Q naught. But Q naught here we are taking a minus Q, and F is F, E means E, that is intensity of electric field. Similarly, so this force is acting in this direction, that is in the downward direction. Force acting on plus Q at B is given as force is equals to intensity of electric field into, that is a charge, but here charge is plus Q, so E into Q and E into minus Q. It is acting in the upward direction, it is acting in the downward direction. So these two forces are unlike parallel force. So one is acting, so consider it is an electric dipole. One force is acting in the downward direction, another one is acting in the upward direction. Then it turns. So this turning effect is called torque or moment of couple. So these two forces, that is this force and this force, these two forces are equal and unlike parallel forces acting on electric dipole producing couple or torque or moment of couple. That is why, so it turns in the direction of electric field. That is, so this electric dipole can turn like this. ఈ విధంగా టర్న్ అవుతుంది, ఇలా ఉంది, ఇలా టర్న్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ విధంగా టర్న్ చేసేటువంటి ఈ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్సెస్ను ఏమని చెప్తామంటే, ఈ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఈ విధంగా టర్నింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ను ఎలక్ట్రిక్ డైపోల్లో ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి దీన్ని టార్క్ అని, కపుల్ అని, మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్ అని చెప్తాం. బట్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం, కపుల్ ఆర్ టార్క్ ఆర్ మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై టౌ, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ magnitude of one of the forces and perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance, this implies, so here it is a F minus E into Q, and this is F E into Q, but here already written. So here you have F and perpendicular distance, it is the line of action of force in the downward direction, it is the line of action of force in the upward direction. So ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య జాయిన్ చేసే దీన్ని మనం ఏమని చెప్తాం అంటే ఏసీ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ పర్పెండికులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈ నుంచి. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పర్పెండికులర్, it is with 90 degrees, it is a line of action of force, 90 degrees తో ఈ రెండింటిని మనం జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ని AC is called perpendicular distance. So magnitude of one of the two forces means with positive sign we take, even it is minus EQ, it is a plus EQ ను మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటాం. EQ into perpendicular distance అంటే from figure it is AC. So now ఇక్కడ మనము ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ని గమనించవచ్చు, ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC. సో ఫ్రమ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC sin theta equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So now here It is A, BC, it is theta. Sine theta means theta opposite side. This is opposite side, AC, and AB is hypotenuse. So sine theta is equals to AC by AB. Sine theta is equals to AB by AC. So by the cross multiplication, you can get, this is not opposite to theta. Theta opposite to theta means AC and hypotenuse means AB. So that is why this implies sine theta is equals to AC by AB. So then AC is equals to AB sine theta. AC is equals to AB sine theta. Now substitute this in this formula. So you can get tau is equals to EQ into AC means you can write AB sine theta. But AB means a dipole length. AB means dipole length. Already it is written AB is equals to 2A. So it can be written as E into Q into AB means 2A. So sine theta. But you know Q into 2A. Q into 2A means dipole moment of electric dipole. So Q into 2A you can write. Q into 2A means you can write as a P. So tau is equals to EP sine theta which is equal to PE sine theta. So this is a couple acting on electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. But in the form of vector, in vector form, it can be written as tau bar is equals to P bar cross E bar, because this is equal to the cross product of vectors. So cross product of vector magnitude of P bar cross P bar is equals to PE sine theta. So in the form of vector form, it can be written as P bar cross E bar. So this is a most important question for 4 marks in electric charges and fields. So in the coming videos, next question number 4 and 5 will be explained.